A small living room can look elegant, stylish, and expensive without being large. Yet many spaces fall short, not because of size, but because of a few common design mistakes that instantly make a room feel cheap. The good news is that once you recognize these mistakes, they're easy to fix. One of the biggest issues is trying to fill every empty corner. When a small living room is overcrowded with furniture or decor, it immediately feels cramped and chaotic. Luxury comes from space, not from excess. Allowing areas to breathe creates balance and makes the room feel intentional rather than rushed. Another mistake is choosing furniture that doesn't match the scale of the room. Oversized sofas or bulky tables overwhelm small spaces, while furniture that's too small can look temporary and low quality. The key is proportion. Well-sized furniture that fits the room naturally creates a polished and expensive look. Poor lighting is another silent problem. Relying on a single harsh ceiling light can flatten the entire space and remove all warmth. Expensive interiors always use layered lighting. Soft lamps, warm bulbs, and subtle accent lighting instantly elevate even the smallest living room. Cheap-looking materials also bring the entire room down. Low-quality finishes, shiny plastics, or thin fabrics are easy to spot. In a small living room, every detail is visible. Choosing fewer but better materials, like textured fabrics, wood accents, or matte finishes, creates a sense of quality and depth. Ignoring wall space is another common error. Bare walls can feel unfinished, while random art placements feel unplanned. Luxury interiors treat walls as part of the design. Thoughtful artwork, mirrors, or subtle wall textures add character without overwhelming the space. Color choices also matter more than people realize. Using too many bold colors or mismatched tones can make a small room feel chaotic. Expensive spaces usually rely on a cohesive palette. Neutral colors layered with texture create calm, elegance, and visual harmony. Another mistake is pushing all furniture against the walls. While it seems like it creates more space, it often does the opposite. Slightly floating furniture, even in small rooms, can add depth and make the layout feel more sophisticated. Clutter is one of the fastest ways to make any room look cheap. Visible wires, random accessories, or unorganized shelves break the visual flow. Luxury spaces feel calm because they are curated. Everything has a purpose and a place. Rugs are often overlooked, yet they define the room. A rug that's too small makes the entire space feel disconnected. A properly sized rug anchors the furniture and instantly upgrades the room's appearance. Finally, copying trends without understanding them can backfire. Trend-heavy decor often looks outdated quickly. Timeless choices always feel more expensive. Clean lines, balanced proportions, and thoughtful details never go out of style. A small living room doesn't need more money to look luxurious. It needs better decisions. When you avoid these common mistakes, your space transforms from ordinary to refined. Luxury is not about size. It's about intention, balance, and confidence in design. And once you master that, even the smallest living room can look effortlessly expensive.